Should we adopt an animal from the shelter? Yes or no?
No.
Oh my gosh, really? Wait, you changed your mind? Definitely a no. Okay, what if we got a kitty? A meower? Would you like a kitty cat?
Yes.
You would? Okay. What if we got a dog?
No.
You don't want a dog?
Yes. Yes.
Somebody else you could play with?
No. Yes.
Girl, you are all over the place.
No.
She's crazy. Okay, well, Lily, I'm going to be honest with you. This is a big announcement for everyone else. We are adopting a dog from the shelter. Do you think it's a senior dog? Yes or no? A senior?
Yes.
Ooh! You guessed correctly. Good girl. Okay, Lily. Do you think it's a girl dog? You're not sure? Or a boy dog? Well, guess what? We will let everybody else find out in the next video when we show the new dog, the new addition to our family. Woohoo! So stay tuned, everyone, and I will have that video shortly in a couple of days, okay? We'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.